Most luxury motorhomes look impressive from a distance. But every once in a while, a coach comes along that makes you stop, stare, and immediately grab a camera. This is one of those coaches. Today on RVenture Life, we're stepping inside an ultra-premium luxury motorhome that combines breathtaking paintwork, high-end residential comfort, and one of the most unique floor plans we've seen in this category. From heated floors and hidden technology to a dedicated beverage center and a private butler's pantry, every inch of this coach was designed to deliver a first-class travel experience. Before we head inside, take a look at this exterior. The weather finally gave us a short break, and it couldn't have happened at a better time because this paint scheme deserves a closer look. Right away, the combination of metallic silver and multiple shades of blue creates an aggressive yet elegant appearance. Instead of relying on oversized swirls and flashy graphics, the design uses cleaner lines, layered patterns, and subtle color transitions that give the coach a sophisticated look from every angle. As you move down the side, you'll notice the stainless accents, flush-mounted compartment doors, and carefully designed shadow effects built into the graphics. Those small details create depth throughout the paint and give certain stripes a raised, three-dimensional appearance. It's the kind of craftsmanship that instantly separates this coach from everything parked around it. Underneath, this motorhome rides on a Spartan K3 chassis and is powered by a Cummins X15 engine producing 605 horsepower. It also features a massive 20,000-pound towing capacity, giving it the performance to match its luxury appearance. Even the front grille has a distinctive design that helps this coach stand out on the highway. Whether it's parked at a resort or rolling down the interstate, this is the type of motorhome people notice immediately. Now let's step inside. One of the first things you'll appreciate is how simple the lighting controls are. Near the entry, there's a convenient switch that allows you to turn the ceiling lights on or off with a single touch. It may sound like a small detail, but features like this make everyday use far more convenient. Throughout the interior, touch panel controls provide easy access to different systems and functions. The main living area features comfortable theater seating with built-in armrest storage. Across from the seating area, a hidden television rises smoothly from a lift mechanism. The movement is incredibly quiet, almost silent, which adds to the premium feel of the entire coach. The flooring throughout the coach is heated and finished with a beautiful matte texture. Many owners prefer this style over high-gloss flooring because it offers a warmer residential feel and tends to be more practical for families and pet owners. Another thing you'll immediately notice is the absence of carpet. The clean flooring extends throughout the living areas, creating a modern appearance while making maintenance much easier. Behind the sofa, you'll find USB charging ports and power outlets, and the sofa itself can convert into additional sleeping space when needed. The cabinetry plays a major role in the atmosphere of this interior. The warm cabinet tones balance perfectly with the modern ceiling treatments and contemporary finishes. The result is a luxury environment that feels inviting and comfortable, rather than cold and overly modern. Moving into the kitchen, one feature immediately stands out. The sink is absolutely massive. It offers plenty of room for meal prep and cleanup, while matching sink covers provide additional countertop space whenever the sink isn't being used. Storage is available throughout the galley, with drawers and cabinets designed to blend seamlessly into the overall design. Nearby, you'll also find the onboard Starlink equipment integrated neatly into the cabinetry. One of the coolest features in this kitchen is the hidden microwave compartment. With the touch of a button, the cabinet door lifts upward to reveal the microwave. Once you're finished using it, The compartment closes neatly out of sight, maintaining the clean and uncluttered appearance of the kitchen. Below the countertop, you'll find an induction cooktop with matching covers, a spacious utensil drawer, and an integrated dishwasher. Everything feels thoughtfully designed and exceptionally well organized. But the area that really sets this floor plan apart comes next. Adjacent to the main kitchen is a dedicated beverage center. Glass front cabinets provide display storage, while a dedicated countertop creates the perfect location for a coffee machine or espresso setup. A convenient pop-up outlet allows appliances to be connected without leaving cords visible on the countertop. Directly below are dual wine coolers, allowing beverages to be stored at separate temperatures. This isn't just a luxury coach. It's a rolling showcase of craftsmanship, innovative design, and residential-style comfort. And after seeing everything it has to offer, it's easy to understand why this motorhome turns heads everywhere it goes.